friends, welcome back to Chitra Art. This is the class for day 3. For this painting, we need A3 size paper, oil pastels, 1 pencil, 1 eraser, 1 masking tape and scissors. Make the border, stick the masking tape around the 4 sides. We will start with a big tree. Behind the bushes, add some small trees. Now darken your drawing. With the shades of blue, fill the sky. After that, just blend the colors with the cotton bud. For the leaves, use yellow, olive green and orange. For the tree, use dark brown, light brown and yellow ochre. For blending the colors, you can also use a tissue. the reflection and blend it with the sky blue. The white color gives some water effects. Darken your drawing with dark shades. Now we will remove the masking tape. Be careful, don't tear your paper. See, using the masking tape, we got nice and finished look. Hope you like this painting. Now we will see some selected paintings of day 2. Congratulations friends! Hope you like this video. Please subscribe, like and share. If you have any doubts, just comment down below. Bye. See you next class.